Hi friends, Khurumjari. Today in this recipe video, I will be sharing Khajing Kanghou, a Manipuri dish made of prawns. This cuisine can be served as side dish or a starter according to one's preference. If you like this video and newly introduced to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. So without any further delay, let's begin. Let's start our cooking by heating the oil. I will be using mustard oil as its strong flavor will complement the fish-like flavor of prawns. When it starts to release smoke, here goes a pinch of hing. After this, let's crackle half teaspoon whole jeera. Now I will be adding 1 cup of spring onion burst. And saute it until it turns a little tender, a kind of little translucent but not golden brown. For this recipe, we normally use maruina kupi or sipes, as sipes prawns combo tastes the best and goes really well. It is not available with me right at the moment. I will be using spring onion instead. After 5 minutes of sauteing it, I am going to add 2 tablespoons garlic coarsely ground and allow it to mix well. Stir it nicely and keep it for another 2-3 minutes until they are little softer in their texture. Then goes ginger paste, my favorite among all the spice and condiments. Mix it nice and proper. Following this, I will be adding 500 gram fresh prawns and continue frying. Let's add salt as per taste and half slit green chilli to the masala prawns mix. I'm going to make it little spicier by adding 1/3 teaspoon red chilli powder. You can totally skip adding it if you like less spicy food. More spices on the way. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, which is followed by 1 tablespoon jeera powder. Give them a good mix and allow the flavor of spiced mixture to get inside the prawns. Now I am going to add chopped spring onion leaves. Stir a little and allow it to cook for a while. After cooking for a few minutes, we can see the onion leaves getting a little tender. Even the color of the prawns is becoming slightly reddish golden brown. That's when we are supposed to give the finishing touch to the dish. Let's finish the stir fry by adding 1 tablespoon fish masala and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. One very important tip I would like to suggest is the cooking time should not be more than 17 to 20 minutes because prawns if overcooked tends to become rubbery and chewy, which is certainly not nice to eat and it stays wasted. We are done now. Trust me, it is spicy, flavorful and so delicious. It is worth trying. So friends, please do try this recipe at home and do let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. From my side, that's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.